you saw that in India, there is a chance or an opportunity or a need, a combination of all of these things to make products at scale, cheap, and sell both for the good of the country as well as a business opportunity. Would that be a fair assessment?
You can say it slightly differently, because obviously I saw in China, that time they started investing in manufacturing. Though my desire was always to build medical technology manufacturing, like the scale what China did in late 90s and early 2000s. But when I came back here, the Indian MedTech business, the MedTech segment itself was in primitive stage to some extent. So we had to really start with trading. If you look at Trivitron from 97 to almost up to 2016, 20 years, we were predominantly a distribution company with very little manufacturing. Only from 2000, past 10 years, we have scaled up. At some point of time, 2016, 90% of our revenues and profits were coming from distribution. Today, almost 90% of our revenues and profits are coming from manufacturing. So this transformation has happened 10 years, but we kept attempting. In the first 20 years, I wouldn't say successfully, but we kept attempting to do some level of manufacturing. Then finally, we decided we need to partner with our own partners. So we brought partners. Many of our Spanish partner, US partner, Japanese partners, to partner with them to do the initial scale of manufacturing in India. Today, I think over the past 10 years, India is now in a very good shape to take this forward. So I think India, because we are the most populous country in the world, there's no reason why the MedTech business cannot become as big as the pharma business. Because in the world, MedTech and pharma are almost the same in terms of size. So, but in India, unfortunately, we still have 75-80% of the import dependency on medical devices and equipments. So, I think over the next 10 years, I'm very hopeful that the medical device will learn from our big brother pharma industry and become completely import independent, and also export producing. So, today, medical technology is such, you can't think a solution only for India. Whenever you think, you have to think global, because unless many of us as our brand, unless we sell it in other countries, we are present in other countries, doctors in our own countries don't trust our products. So there's nothing called Indian quality and international quality. Today, international quality is an absolute must to sell any device, whether it is pharma or medical device or anything. So we need to get our quality right, infrastructure right, our regulatory system right. Then the confidence on Indian products goes up, which I'm seeing it already slowly going up. But as the time goes by, I think Indian medical technology industry will dominate and probably become import independent and export producing like pharma industry.